Hello, this is Legaspi, and our group will be discussing about virtualization, particularly application virtualization and light virtualization. So, what is all this virtualization hoo-ha? A virtualization is basically a virtual environment inside your real OS, in which the real OS is of course the your Windows installation, and the environment will be created by the application. First off, application virtualization. For this one, this application creates a virtual environment or some type of sandbox in which it basically isolates the program from the real system. So whatever the program does will just be inside the isolated environment and not affect the real system. And next is the light virtualization. In this case, it creates a virtual environment in which you can install applications, assuming it doesn't require a restart or anything you can do under the sun. But in simple restart, all the changes will be gone. For example, an infection, or you just deleted some file or whatever. And clicking restart will basically undo all the changes, and you're good to go again.
Hi guys, I am Brian and I will be showing to you Returnil System Safe 2011. Okay, we just open Returnil System Safe window and you can see here that there has many choices, and we will opening virtual mode. In virtual mode you have three options: overview, tools, and settings. We will just be opening start virtual mode. Here you can see it's initializing. Okay, we'll just be opening some sample applications in my documents. First of all, this is Opera browser that we show you among uses. Okay, preparing to install. Just click next, agree, and we'll be installed. Okay guys, we just installed Opera. As you can see, it was installed successfully. And here's to prove it. Ta-da! Okay, Opera is working well. Okay guys, we just finished installing Opera, and we will be installing the next applications. Just click next and install. Okay guys, you can see that Returnil was actually working fine. Here we can see it's already installed. Okay, first time configuration, everything looks good. So if Returnil System Safe is still not clear to you, I'll be making some junk text. Let's rename this junk .text. Okay, see, I'll be showing how this works. Now we'll be closing. Okay, we just made the jump text, and I'll be showing you that when we restart this, it will be all gone, and Returnil System Safe will be securing your system. Okay, restarting. We can see here that Windows is logging off and shutting down. Okay guys, we just finished starting up Windows. As you can see, the applications a while ago that we just installed are now gone. And the junk file text is also gone. And I'll be showing you Returnil.
Okay, we have just seen the capabilities of Returnil. A simple restart will basically undo the changes you have done on the real system.
Okay guys, I'll show you another demo on how Returnil will turn things normal again after restart when you encountered malware. Okay, here I'll show you that we will be installing. Okay, these are some trojans and viruses that we downloaded from the net, and I think we will. Okay guys, we just installed some of those executable files a while ago. You can see here in the Windows Task Manager that there are so many loading files. Just one of them just popped up. Allow access. There. The system is now infected, so we will restart the system and see what will happen. Okay guys, we will just be starting up Windows. As you can see a while ago that there were so many malwares that were installed, and let's see what Returnil will do to them now that we just restarted. Okay, there you go, that's how simple you can recover from malware from virtual mode. And I'll be showing you how clean the task manager is. Okay, there you go. A while ago there were so many processes that it was processing. Okay, now, well, next up is sandboxing.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Scarlett and I'm here to demo you Sandboxie. And first of all, what does the Sandboxie does? In Sandboxie, the functionality of the Sandboxie is to isolate the programs that you've downloaded from the internet, maybe it's a virus, or an application or an executable file. And now I'm going to show you how Sandboxie and the difference of the Sandbox mode from the regular mode. Internet Explorer and send to Sandboxie. As you can see, this is the big difference between the sandbox window to ensure that your window is sandboxed. Guys, I'm now going to download CC Cleaner from the sandbox version of Win from the sandbox version of Internet Explorer. Right now, guys, I'm going to show you how the sandboxing works. After we have downloaded the files from the sandbox window, I'll show you the file from the sandbox window. And the original window from the start. Just look and see the difference. We have installed CC Cleaner setup at the sandbox window of downloads while we haven't installed it in the original system folder. So that's the difference of what Sandbox makes. It isolates the files that you have downloaded from the internet, keeping you safe from the internet. Now I'm going to install CC Cleaner from the Sandbox version of downloads. Of course, it's from the Windows Explorer. Should we typically install? I'm going to close this one to compare and contrast the difference between the real folder and the sandbox folder. So take a look. I'm going to program files, computer, C, and I'm going the sandbox mode of C. I'm going to program files, and I'm also going to program files of the non-sandbox version. And look and see the difference. Here's the CC cleaner installing sandbox version of the drive C, and when it's not in the sandbox version, it doesn't install. So that's the power of Sandboxie. It can prevent you from viruses, to prevent trojans and other malwares to your computers. We're now going to delete the contents of the sandbox. Oops, my bad. And delete the contents of the sandbox. There you go. It show you that I'm going to show you that it's already been removed from the system, which is Windows Explorer, and it's like gone. This CC Cleaner installer was like gone with the wind, and now let's go to drive C and see it's gone. Now CC Cleaner is gone with the wind, and CC Cleaner is also gone with the wind. That's the power of the sandbox.
Hi, I'm Shedrick. I'll give you the gist of what my groupmates told you. First, virtualization. It virtualizes the OS. What you can do on the virtual OS will not affect your real OS. What you save on the virtual OS will not be saved on your hardware. Thus, when you close the virtual OS, what you save on the virtual OS will be gone. Next is the Returnil virtual system. It prevents malware and unwanted programs from permanently infecting or modifying a system, which means it can be used for your security needs. The last one is the Sandbox. It isolates applications from the real system, just like how a sandbox prevents sand from spilling onto the ground. If you manage to run on an infected site with your browser, Sandbox, terminate the browser, delete the contents of the sandbox, and you're good to go again. Also, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.